Hello, we are packing to leave Naples this morning and head to Sorrento. So here are the empties from Naples. Used up one of these Paula's Choice BHA, right? Yes, BHA pads. Love these. Used a Timeless vitamin C. Also love that. And then I finished up the Olaplex number 3 hair perfector. There's only a little bit left in this, and I used it last night, as you can see, because I did not straighten my hair. It is what it is. And that is used up as well. And I also really love this. Good morning, and welcome to day, whatever the hell day this is at this point. I don't even know. Do you know? You don't know. I don't know either. We are all packed up and ready to go. Got a couple minutes until breakfast, and then we'll be heading to the Naples train station, not to get a train, but to pick up a car. We're renting a car for like the day and a half-ish. We're down on the Amalfi Coast. We're going to Sorrento. Our hotel's in Sorrento. We're gonna explore the rest of the coastline as well. I mean, not a ton of it, but some of it. And that is the plan for today. I've got the peach dress on. I was gonna wear the lemon dress, but it drags the ground a little, and I don't want to drag that through the streets of Naples, which are very dirty. I've got my tennis shoes on, very practical, because it's freezing right now. I will be switching to my sandals once it warms up. That's the outfit of the day. I haven't given an outfit of the day on the vlog yet. I feel like my voice sounds crazy. I did have a little bit of a hacking fit before bed last night. I think I, on top of having allergies, swallowed too much volcanic dust. Babe, don't forget to pack that. Yeah, I definitely had some gray and black boogers this morning. But I think I'm gonna go film my actual outfit of the day for the TikTok and the Instagram. And then we'll probably head to breakfast. Goodbye, beautiful hotel. It's so cute here. I don't think they're gonna give the car away for a couple minutes sleeping. I think it'll be fine. So pretty. Ugh. Well, I'm chilling in a parking garage with our bags. Because someone didn't check to make sure that it was a manual car when he booked the rental car. So we popped in and it's an automatic, because I guess that's just standard here. That is not standard at home. I don't think they'd even rent one unless it was like a luxury sports vehicle. And he didn't bother to check. So he's gone back into the office with the lady. Which is a bop, because the office is on the bottom floor of the train station. So we had to like go up a floor, go up completely across, go into a parking garage. It's just crazy. Yeah. I fear this is just the life you get stuck living when you marry someone with the ADHD, who just hops into things and doesn't pay attention to what they're doing. Ugh. But at least it's a beautiful day to be sitting outside on the roof of a parking garage. Because I think I'm gonna be here a while. I think we're gonna have to upcharge for a nicer car, a more expensive car rather, in order to have a manual. Blah. Okay, returning the keys. Got a refund on the car. There were no automatics. He is checking with a couple of the other rental companies. The hotel could not arrange cab pickup because they usually need a day in advance notice, and all of their providers are unavailable. They did say if we do choose to do a cab, make sure they give us a fixed rate. But at this point, I think if we can't get anything, we'll just do the train, and it's only a 7-minute walk to the hotel from the train, so that's not the end of the world. I have to pee. Austin has all the coins. It's a coin entry fee. I don't feel like paying to pee. I don't get that. It's so fucking stupid. Like, why would I have to pay to pee? Everyone pees. Why do you have to pay to use the bathroom? I think that's so weird. That's my biggest gripe. That and all the public smoking. My throat is aching from all the secondhand smoke I'm ingesting. Anyway, I'm just being a negative Nancy because it's been a not great start to the day. Just fucking not great at all. But it is what it is. Okay, so we were sat backwards on the train and I was nauseous the whole time. So I definitely didn't film anything. But we are now in Sorrento. The hotel has our bags.
Turn right onto Largo Padre Reginaldo Giuliani.
When I'm nauseous, I don't need to. So it's beautiful. It's a very cute town. So cute. Why does my phone keep doing it? There we go. Wow.
That's good for you.
We've made our way to the edge of the cliff, looking at the water. Faux beach dropping here. There's even like a little walkway you can take down there. I don't know if we'll do that or not. It's so pretty. This pretty view is literally right across the street from our school, which is funny. All the kids are getting out. Oh, my phone keeps going blurry. It's very annoying. So pretty. Well, the skinniest little street full of souvenir shops. They got a magnet. Oh, I'm talking to the camera. All kinds of stuff. We're down to a quieter part of the street now. It's still really cute though. Lots of jewelry and shoes. And little restaurants. Okay, so here is the Sorrento room tour. This is the front door. Here is the bed, which is quite a good size, honestly. You've got a desk, a little couch, a little cafe table, a whole like closet setup, which is really nice. So many mirrors, which I love. I can check out my outfit at every angle. Here's the bathroom. Shower, sink, toilet, bidet, the usual. Nothing crazy here, but the balcony. The balcony is the shit. I think you may need to help me, my love. Could you open the door so we can show the balcony? Because this is adorable. This is very cute.
One side opens.
We're overlooking the pool. And look at this. You've got a little lounger. You've got a cafe table and chairs. This is such a sizable little balcony. You get a view of the mountains, some lemon trees. I think that might be the main hotel. Some roses. So cute. I'm quite pleased with this. Quite pleased. I love how you don't even take off your shoes. You just lay right on the bed.
Well, I don't know what we're doing.
I'm laying here, doom scrolling on my phone because I just needed a mental break. And I'm like, do we have vaulted ceilings? And a chandelier? Oh my god, the ceilings are so high in here. This room's pretty damn sweet. Pretty sweet. It's such a journey to get to our room. You pass up these cute little areas. I think the breakfast is here. And we just passed the pool. It's like a maze. Having my cocktail, we're debating the merits of whether to go to Positano or Amalfi tomorrow, or to just relax at our hotel. But I think I want to go somewhere. They're both like an hour or hour and a half. No, wait, how far is Positano? It's like 40?
Positano is like 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
35 to 45 minutes.
And then we'd have to take the bus. So, I don't know, weighing our options. I think I want to go to Amalfi, but it's further away. So we'll see. So we also have to go back to Rome tomorrow. But we can check into that hotel whenever. It's not like a big deal. I mean, obviously not in the middle of the night, but... So we're figuring it out. This view is magical. Oh, so nice. Okay, we went back to the hotel. Austin took a shower. I rested a little. Posted some pictures. We are walking to our dinner reservation now. We were seated right outside the kitchen. It's very cool getting to watch them do stuff. It's an old aqueduct. We just got out of our dinner. Look at the scenery. Almost a full moon. Okay, we're walking back to the hotel after our dinner, which accidentally was a Michelin star dinner. I didn't realize that when I booked it, but it's cool. I just had really good reviews on Happy Cow. The whole meal was amazing. Would you agree?
Yes, that's very good.
The only thing that wasn't great is it's like you have to literally chase someone down to get the check, which is annoying. Like, after I'm sitting there so long, I want you to just bring me the check. Like, and they're all so busy because it's a Michelin restaurant, so everyone's working like a well-oiled machine that they just don't even notice you. Otherwise, it was delicious. So, we ordered the, what is it called, vegetable garden, which was like their, did you just fart? I'm leaving that in there. Their vegan and vegetarian 4-course tasting menu. And they make it vegan if you need it vegan.
Was way more than 4 courses.
Way more than 4 courses. I feel like they call it 4 courses, but then they bring you like a ton of things complimentary. But I think it's just the chef can't narrow it down to 4, and I'm not mad about it. It was delicious. They also had us pick out our own olive oil for our bread, which was cool. And once again, delicious. The bread was good. They brought us little crackers. They were so thin and crispy. And they brought breadsticks, really thin breadsticks, and then a baked little loaf, like the tiniest, cutest little loaf ever. Oh my god. I can't even breathe while I'm walking because I'm so full. Do you have any thoughts?
It was very good.
Oh my god, I can't believe I forgot to mention. For pre-dessert, they took us down into the basement, showed us the wine cellar.
Roman wine cellar.
The Roman wine cellar, and an ancient aqueduct from the 1st century AD. And then the chef made us like a custom little like dessert taco, like this big, and like this delicious tea. Like the dessert was some sort of Italian South American fusion, and it was delicious. And we got to like see all that cool stuff down underneath the restaurant. And then they brought us back and gave us more dessert. They brought us dessert, and I thought, okay, that's the end of the course, right? No, they brought us 3 more little tiny desserts. It was so much food, but it was so good. I'm very happy about it.
It was only 3 desserts. So it was the pre-dessert,
Pre-dessert.
the
Dessert.
post-dessert.
Yeah, so much food. We just ran into a lady, and she was like, I think I'm on the opposite schedule of you guys. I've walked past you guys like 3 times today. I didn't recognize her, but I also don't pay that much attention to those around me, which is, I don't know, good and bad. But then I thought that was funny. We have done a lot of walking back and forth in this town today. We walked down by the water. That's Mount Vesuvius. craziest. There's the coastline in the other way. It's so nice out, isn't it? The wind actually feels good right now, I think, because I ate too much.